DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. It is a software that let you to store, organize, manage, and retrieve the data effectively. Database management system is classified into two types, relational data and non-relational database. In relational data, we can see some example, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL servers. And in non-relational database, we have MongoDB, Cassandra. Why database management system? Previously, we were using file system and now we have updated ourselves to DBMS. But why we went from file system to DBMS? There are certain drawbacks or in file system. Let's see one by one. Number one, to avoid data redundancy. In file system, same data is stored in multiple places. Hence, it's a waste of space. Here in DBMS, we are storing data centrally. Hence, reducing the duplicates. Number two, to maintain data consistency. If same data is updated in one place, DBMS ensure it's updated in everywhere. To improve data security, not everyone is authorized to change or update the data in DBMS. Only authorized personnel can access the DBMS. Number four, to allow multiple users to work simultaneously. Hence, corruption will not happen. Number five, to enable backup and recovery. If file got missed, that is not an easy way to recover the files. But in DBMS, we can take backup and restore the data even after the crashes. To enforce data integrity. Data integrity is enforced by using the constraints called primary key, foreign key, not null, etc. To provide easy data retrievals using SQL queries, we can fetch the data, we can insert the data, we can update the data. All retrieval operations we can done. Operation called CURT. Those operation we can perform easily using SQL queries, MySQL queries in database management system to support the relationship between data. Unlike files in DBMS, we can provide the relationship between one table and another table that comes under relational database management system. Hence, we can provide the relationship between one table and another table, and we can retrieve the data by combining both tables easily. Those things we can see in further videos.